of Ms. Badenoch's statements and commentaries about Nigeria?
I completely disagree with her statement. In 2023-2024, 78,000 bags snatched in the UK. In London and the UK alone, 78,000 phones snatched. So I disagree with this statement. And there is this very strong Nigerian Black community in this nation. People who have been fighting.
Tobi Adegboyega, a controversial UK-based pastor, has dismissed recent comments by Kemi Badenoch, leader of the British Conservative Party, accusing her of unfairly portraying Nigeria in a negative light. Badenoch, in a recent interview with a UK journalist, described Nigeria as a country that drives its citizens to engage in questionable behaviors. She also alleged that Nigerian police are complicit in robbing the very people they had sworn to protect. However, Adegboyega, whose church organization, Spark Nation, was recently dissolved by the UK government over allegations of mismanaging 1.87 million euros in funds, challenged Badenoch's statements. Speaking during an appearance on Politics Today Channel's television, Adegboyega argued that no country is without its challenges, including the United Kingdom. I completely disagree with that statement, Adegboyega said in response to Badenoch's remarks. Between 2023 and 2024, about 78,000 bags and phones were snatched in London and the UK alone. There's a very strong Nigerian Black community in this nation. Adegboyega acknowledged the difficulties Nigeria faces, but cautioned against exaggerating the country's challenges. Though things might be tough for my people back home in Nigeria, it doesn't give anybody leeway to disparage the country in the manner Badenoch is going about it. The pastor also drew attention to systemic issues affecting Black communities in the UK. Prisons and mental health institutions here have more young Black people than schools. That is a fact. We live on the streets and know what is going on. Adegboyega highlighted efforts to address systemic inequalities. When Spark Nation began, we started sending people to Harvard, Cambridge, and Imperial College. We have the highest number of Black students in these institutions. He concluded by emphasizing that while Nigeria faces challenges, the nation is far from irredeemable. We are not denying the fact that our country has issues, and we are also not as old as the advanced economies like Britain. We cannot say things are all dark because it's not true. Badenoch's comment came not quite long after Afrobeat star Davido made a statement about Nigeria's economy. Davido also came under heavy criticism as he shared his view on Nigeria's economic system, stating that Nigeria is in shambles. As debate continues about Nigeria's global image, figures like Adegboyega are calling for balanced perspectives that highlight both challenges and progress. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.